Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Teamgroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 48GB kit, which is two 24GB sticks clocked at a blistering 7,200 MHz with a CL34 latency. This kit is designed for desktop systems using the latest 600 and 700 series chipsets and boasts XMP 3.0 support for easy overclocking. First impressions are important, and the T-Force Delta RGB doesn't disappoint. The black heat spreaders look fantastic, and the RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable. Installation was a breeze, and XMP 3.0 made hitting that 7,200 MHz speed simple. But how does it perform? In benchmarks, this RAM kit shines. It offers a noticeable performance uplift in memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and even gaming. The increased bandwidth and lower latency compared to slower DDR5 kits translate to snappier response times and smoother overall system performance. The 48GB capacity is also a huge plus for content creators or users who frequently work with large datasets. Having that extra headroom can prevent bottlenecks and improve workflow efficiency. Games also benefit, especially modern titles with high texture packs and complex environments. Of course, performance comes at a price. High-speed DDR5 like this can be expensive, and it requires a compatible motherboard and CPU to reach its full potential. However, if you're building a high-end gaming rig or workstation, the Teamgroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 is definitely worth considering. The heat spreaders do a decent job of keeping the modules cool, even under sustained loads. During testing, temperatures remained within acceptable limits, indicating good thermal management. Overall, the Teamgroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 48GB kit is a top-tier memory solution that delivers exceptional performance and stunning aesthetics. It's a great choice for enthusiasts and professionals looking to maximize their system's capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.